Dogecoin Holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you're doing good, guys. What's up? In this video, again, I'm talking about Dogecoin price update and also talking about the prediction. But first of all, guys, I want congratulations to all Dogecoin holders because as I predicated Dogecoin in my previous videos that Dogecoin price will pump in October, guys. So now you can see here today is the 2nd October and you can see here the changes of Dogecoin is going positive from last 7 days, guys. So first of all, my prediction going right about Dogecoin, so that's why please subscribe now our channel for more accurate price prediction. Now, guys, furthermore, if we talk about the right now price update of Dogecoin, so 0.22067 USD dollar, that is the right now price of Dogecoin in the market. Let me show you the price chart of Dogecoin. Oh my god, that's unbelievable changes of Dogecoin. Again, Dogecoin start moving upward, guys. And I believe, guys, that very soon Dogecoin price will be by 0.01 USD dollar. Very soon we will find it. Guys, you can see your 8% the price pump just in last 3 days, and now it is a continuously pump, guys. I believe that continuously Dogecoin will continue this pump for a long time. So due to this update, I recommend for my viewers, my subscriber, that please hold for a long time. That is how you can get a huge profit. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Dogecoin? Also share your personal opinion in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel.